Hi guys, today I'll be playing Roblox, but I will be playing Flag Wars. Okay, let's play. I'm sorry, but you guys haven't seen me do the Halloween season 4 because has been removed. Low Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi is fine. It's just a little long. There it is. I'm kind of great of this game. One time I waste my token by the Halloween event by the crates. But I've been trying to get the hex bound, the minigun. Wait, I need to wait for blue. Okay, wait, there we go. Blue it is. Wait time. Look, it is there, but I got the enchanted. Like, if you hit, wait, number 4. Wait a minute. Yes, 4. There we go. First enemy, don't die. Yes, shoot him. Wait guys, who's your favorite Flag Wars player? For me is Evarius and Shocky P. They're both my favorite. Oops, who wins? Yes, I win. No, I died from him again. The soul player. Wait a minute. When one dead. I-ish lag. Bro, put the flag. I'll be camping. Gotcha. Run before that sword thingy guy. Wait, I got you. It took me like 1,000 and thousands of tokens, but wait. I actually don't use Robux because my mother and father does for me. Very good. Wait. Bro, this 84 players greater than. Wait, let me change. Let's try the Tesla gun. Yep, Tesla gun it. We touch remove. Then Tesla gun. Move the Starbuck into the Medusa. Wait, let's try the Medusa. Wait, I'm asking you guys, what is the purple thingy on there? What is it for? Comment it. Oh no. Just like the gun, I don't like it. Because it just does a little more damage. And wait, let's max it. Okay. Okay, I'm not fine, bro. So this name is Aray ko. We need a shotgun, guys. ASAP. Oh, no. No. You know. Go. Okay, that's the guy. Okay. Found it. Bro, I have 2 eyes and 1 mouth. Let's see. Okay, so this is you see the position. Bro was low health. Wait. Change shadow, guys. Wait, do you guys want to change? Wait, no. The Wi-Fi. Hey, uh-oh. No internet access. Please check the router or consult your network. That's why I was lucky. Wait, let's try here. Okay, there we go. Wi-Fi got it. Wednesday, December 31, but it's still not. Okay, still weak Wi-Fi. Oh my god. Di ano Wi-Fi password sa Awi 5G?
Alam eh. QR na lang natin.
Pinakamalakas na Wi-Fi.
Ayun na.
Thank you. Okay, now let's play. Okay. Wait, let's join my friend. Won't join. On the server. Okay, which the blue. Yes. Found the perfect thing. Wait, wait. Let's try the scar. It was the scar. Here it is. The skin. No. I really want the skin, the blaze scar. And we're gonna take the scar L. Wait, where is it? Scar L and the spear. Shadow spear. Okay. What's the sound? Oh, this is the AKM. Wait. the noobs version. Found ya? Found you there? Kind of getting rid of. I got. This is my character, by the way. I'm a gladiator angel. Like an angel warrior. Gotcha. Gotcha, bro. There's an enemy. Alis na. Like, remember the last video I made, the other flag war? That's the one I got my name. Was 973 money. Oh, I'm rich, bruh. I'm rich, bro. I have a lot of money now. Much richer than the others. I brought a different soul from me. Just joking. Just for myself. Nobody has ever seen anybody change soul. Bro, get remember you killed me last. Here. Change. And this is my favorite one. But I only reached 10 kills and 3 deaths. Gotcha. Nope. Grenade. Grenade! Ano ba grenade? Okay, so that's it for today. And we only reach 14 kills and 4 deaths. That's it. So, bye guys. Peace.